Hi, welcome to Menstrop YouTube channel. Through this video, I will talk about scale diagram for vertical plants. Scale diagram used to represent a small, large object or a shape or image. The scale diagram used will depend on the reduction or enlargement of the object. Example: 1500 mm height real horse we can represent in a piece of paper in scale of 1 to 10 as 150 mm height. Let's move to the scale writing method. There are several methods to write scales. We can describe by word like 1 centimeter represent 5 meter, or using a row mark we can represent, but best and most recognized option is writing in ratio. So using scale we can find actual length or a scale length. Let's look how to find the actual length through an example. Find the actual length if the scale length is 4 cm and scale given as 1 cm represent 5 meter. Let's find the actual length. The scale given as 1 centimeter represent 5 meter. So 4 centimeter represent 5 meter into 4 is equal to 20 meter. That's it. Let's see one more example. If 1 centimeter represent 3 kilometer, then find the actual length for 5 centimeter. Let's try the scale first. 1 centimeter represent 3 kilometer. So 5 centimeter represent 3 kilometer into 5. It's equal to 15 kilometer. That's it. So using scale we can easily find the actual length. Let's do other way. If we have a scale and actual length, then let's find the scale length. Let's try with an example. If scale is 1 to 200, then find the scale length for 10 meter. 1 to 200 means 1 centimeter represent 200 centimeter. Let's write like this. Then 200 centimeter equal to 2 meter. So we can get as 1 meter represent 0.5 centimeter. Therefore, 10 meter represent as 0.5 centimeter into 10. It's equal to 5 meter. Simply we found the actual length. Same like, let's try another. Example says if 1 centimeter represent 500 meter, then find the scale length for 12 kilometer. From the problem we can get as 1 centimeter represent 500 meter. So we can write as 1 kilometer represent 2 centimeter. Therefore 12 kilometer represent 12 into 2 centimeter. It's equal to 24 kilometer. Same like we can find actual and scale length using scale. There are two angles we want to know in a scale diagram. Let's see one by one. First one, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means the angle from the horizontal upward to an object from eye level of observer. Let's see that the definition is as visual. There's a flat surface, a man looking at top of the building, right color line represent the eye level and blue color line represent line of vision. The angle between the eye level and line of vision called as angle of elevation. Now you can easily understand the angle of elevation. Second one, angle of depression. Angle of depression means the angle from the horizontal downward to an object from eye level of observer. Let's see the definition also as a visual. There's a flat horizontal surface, a man looking at a cat which on the same surface. Red line represent eye level and black line represent line of vision. Angle between the lines represent the angle of depression. Those are the two types of angles used in a scale diagram. Okay. The clinometer is an instrument used to measure angle of slope, elevation or depression. Clinometer look like this. This is how clinometer used to measure the angles.